Want to save $10,000 in a year? You absolutely can. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about saving money. Specifically, we're going to explore some simple, practical hacks that can help you save $10,000 in just 1 year. By making a few small changes and adopting smart saving strategies, you can build a solid financial cushion. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start saving immediately. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Let's start with the foundation of healthy financial habits, budgeting. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial goals. The first step is to track your expenses. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook to jot down everything you spend for a month. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back. Next, create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. The key is to be consistent and make adjustments as needed. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite saving hacks, automating your savings. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, you'll consistently save money without even having to think about it. You automate your bills, right? Why not do the same for your savings? Start small if you need to. Even transferring $25 or $50 per week can make a significant difference over time. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase the amount you're automatically saving. Many banks offer features that round up your purchases and transfer the spare change to your savings account. We live in a world of subscription services, and it's easy to accumulate more than we need or use. Take some time to review all of your subscriptions: streaming services, music apps, gym memberships, meal kits, the list goes on. Be honest with yourself and be ruthless in canceling anything that you don't absolutely love and use consistently. You might be surprised by how much money you can save each month by simply trimming down your subscriptions. For services that you use occasionally, consider sharing a subscription with a friend or family member. Master the meal plan, save money, and eat deliciously. In this chapter, we will explore how you can save money while still enjoying delicious meals every day. Eating out is convenient, but it can also put a serious dent in your budget. Restaurants often charge a premium for the convenience and ambiance they provide, and those costs add up quickly. One of the most effective ways to save money is to cook more meals at home. Not only does this save you money, but it also allows you to create healthier and more personalized dishes. Start by creating a weekly meal plan. Planning your meals in advance helps you stay organized and ensures that you use all the ingredients you buy, reducing food waste. This will help you avoid impulse purchases at the grocery store and ensure that you have all the ingredients you need on hand. Sticking to a list can prevent you from buying unnecessary items that can inflate your grocery bill. Look for recipes that are budget-friendly and use seasonal ingredients. Seasonal produce is often cheaper and fresher, making your meals not only more affordable, but also more delicious. When you go grocery shopping, make a list and stick to it. This simple habit can save you a significant amount of money over time and help you avoid the temptation of buying items you don't need. Cooking at home is not only easier on your wallet, but it also allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes. You can ensure that your meals are nutritious and tailored to your dietary needs, making home-cooked meals a win-win for both your health and your budget. Don't forget to make use of leftovers. Properly storing and reheating leftovers can provide you with additional meals, further stretching your food budget and reducing waste. By mastering the meal plan, you can enjoy delicious home-cooked meals without breaking the bank. It's a simple yet effective way to eat well and save money. Unlock hidden savings, cashback, and rewards programs. In this chapter, we will explore how you can make the most out of your everyday spending by leveraging cashback and rewards programs. Did you know that you can actually earn money back on your everyday purchases? It's true. Every time you swipe your card or make an online purchase, you could be earning a percentage of that money back. There are various cashback credit cards and apps available that offer rewards for your spending. These programs are designed to give you a little something back for every dollar you spend. Do your research and choose one that aligns with your spending habits. Some cards offer higher cashback rates on groceries, while others might reward you more for dining out or travel expenses. In addition to cashback credit cards, explore cashback websites and apps that offer rewards for online shopping. These platforms partner with retailers to give you a percentage of your purchase back when you shop through their links. Simply click through their portal before making a purchase, and you'll earn a percentage of your spending back. It's an easy way to save money on things you were going to buy anyway. Only spend what you can afford, and pay off your credit card balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. This way, you can truly benefit from the rewards without falling into debt. Remember, the key to maximizing these programs is to use them wisely and responsibly. Turn clutter into cash. The power of selling unused items. We all have items lying around our homes that we no longer use or need. Instead of letting them gather dust, why not turn them into extra cash? Start by going through your closets, attic, garage, or any other areas where you store belongings. Clothes, electronics, books, furniture, and collectibles are all popular items to sell. There are many platforms available to sell your items both online and offline. Not only will you earn extra cash, but you'll also free up space in your home. Negotiate like a pro, lower your bills, and save. Don't be afraid to negotiate your bills and expenses. It's a powerful tool that many people overlook. You might be surprised by how much you can save simply by asking. A simple phone call can lead to significant savings. Many service providers are willing to work with their customers to keep their business. They value your loyalty and are often open to negotiation. Start by researching competitive rates for services like internet, cable, phone, and insurance. Knowledge is power, and knowing what competitors offer can give you leverage. Then, contact your current providers and politely explain that you're considering switching to a competitor due to their lower rates. Be clear and concise about your findings. Be prepared to negotiate and don't be afraid to walk away if you're not getting a satisfactory offer. Sometimes the willingness to leave can lead to better deals. The key is to be polite but firm in your negotiations. Remember, you're advocating for yourself and your financial well-being. With persistence and the right approach, you can lower your bills and save more money each month. It's all about taking that first step and being proactive. The No Spend Challenge, reset your spending habits. Ready to supercharge your savings? Try a No Spend Challenge. Choose a specific time frame for your challenge. It could be a week, 2 weeks, or even a whole month. During this time, commit to only spending money on essentials like groceries, transportation, and bills. Avoid any unnecessary purchases, such as eating out, entertainment, or clothes shopping. A no-spend challenge is not only a great way to save money, but it can also help you identify your spending triggers and develop healthier financial habits. Unlock your earning potential. Explore a side hustle. Looking for additional ways to boost your income and reach your savings goal faster? Consider starting a side hustle. Think about your skills, interests, and passions. There are countless side hustle opportunities available, from freelance writing and virtual assisting to pet sitting, delivery driving, and online tutoring. The beauty of a side hustle is that you can set your own hours and work from wherever you want. Start small and gradually scale your side hustle over time. The power of vision. Setting financial goals. Finally, let's talk about the importance of setting financial goals. Having clear financial goals gives you something specific to work towards and helps you stay motivated on your savings journey. Think about what you want to achieve financially. Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Once you have your goals in place, create a plan to achieve them. Stay focused, stay consistent, and you'll achieve your financial dreams. Start saving today. Change your tomorrow. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. You now have a toolbox full of simple yet effective hacks to help you save $10,000 in just 1 year. Remember, every little bit counts. Start implementing these hacks today and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your finances. Until next time, happy saving.